So I've been building some more Airfix vintage classics, and the first one here is the Westland Whirlwind, and this kit dates from 1956. The Westland Whirlwind was a British version of the Sikorsky S-55, which first flew in 1949. Sikorsky changed the layout of the helicopter around the space for passengers and cargo, and the engine was in the nose of the aircraft. The Airfix kit has a little winch on the side there. This is the nose of the aircraft, some grills and the exhaust pipe with a yellow ring around it. It's a little bit tricky to build just around the window areas, but again you have to bear in mind that Airfix do make it clear it's a vintage classic. It's not going to be the latest standard of fit, but still you can make it into a nice little kit. And I thought, I know it's not Airfix, this is the Frog Westland Wessex. It's a kit I built when I was younger. I thought it'd be really nice to build one again and try and have another go and improve it. So this kit dates from 1963, and I've done it in the lovely Royal Australian Navy livery, because it's one of those ones where the box art just is superb. So the Westland Wessex was another Sikorsky design, and again with the engine in the nose, but this time with a much larger fuselage. The Royal Australian Navy used the Wessex from 1963 in the anti-submarine role, and also search and rescue. And during the Vietnam War, it was used as a troop transport. And it stayed flying with the Royal Australian Navy until 1989. I think Italeri do more recent, and I know Matchbox did one as well. Perhaps it's something Airfix might like to consider. It's a very popular helicopter with lots of different liveries. I just love that Australian colours, and I like to follow the box art there. Back to Airfix and the Bristol Belvedere, bought from my favourite model shop, of course, in Felton, Richardson's. Now the Belvedere, the kit itself dates from 1959, and the Belvedere was initially designed as a passenger helicopter. Then the Royal Navy showed interest, but eventually it was only ever used by the RAF, the Royal Air Force, in a transport role. And an RAF Belvedere was used to lower the new spire for the new Coventry Cathedral in 1962, which I think is a great thing. Again, it does show its age, the kit. It's a little bit, it goes together okay. The glass nose is split down the middle, so if you're really fussy about that, you probably have to make your own windscreen, I guess. Not for me, I just thought I'd just make the best of it. Again, with these new kits, you get lovely decals. is an amazing tribute to the Airfix rivets. It was quite good fun to build actually, and I think if you just enjoy building it, it is of its time. It's a very unusual configuration. I mean, you can always treat yourself to the new Airfix Chinook. That would be lovely to build. And I thought, even though I've shown this one before, also 1959, not quite a helicopter, not quite an aeroplane, the Fairey Rotodyne, and it was designed to carry passengers from cities to airports, and it did combine the speed of an aircraft with the versatility and vertical takeoff of a helicopter. Again, that was another one of those British designs that never quite fulfilled its potential, like the Belvedere. You can show it with the ladder down there, entrance. Out of all the vintage classics, I think the Rotodyne is the one I enjoyed building the most. And again, you get lovely decals of that. And it looks quite smart. Get nice artwork on the boxes. And they are all really just nostalgia builds, especially for me, this the older frog kit. Really nice to revisit that one. I think they're still good value for money. It's a great hobby. You'll enjoy building all of these. Obviously the front one will be second hand. I think it's still worth building. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing these models from the 1950s just about, and then the 60s. If you like and subscribe, I really do appreciate it. Any comments if you've built any of these, and let me know. Always welcome. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. And hope it inspires you to go and build a vintage classic for yourself. Thank you very much.